Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. This is going to be a fast PSA. Just want to give you guys a little fast heads up. ThermalTake has now dropped the Tower 600 Bubble Pink on Amazon. Only on Amazon. On the website, they literally sold out. There's only 3 left. I actually got mines. ThermalTake has actually sent mines out already. So I will be getting mines on the 26th or the 27th of this month. Everybody else that actually got it from their website will be receiving this between the 6th and the 2nd and the 6th of March. I should be the first person. I should be reviewing it, unboxing it, and doing the build inside of it. So stay tuned on watch my video. Like I said, this is a fast PSA. There's only 3 units left. Grab yours really quick. It's being shipped out right away. So if you order yours right now, you'll get it between February 28th and March 3rd. Just like on their website. If you purchased it from their website, you will receive yours between March 2nd to March 6th. That's when everybody else will be getting theirs. I will be actually getting mine on the 26th or the 27th of this month. Like I said, I will be the first one, hopefully be the first one that reviews it, unbox it. I do have my review unit coming out, and I do have my personal other one that's coming out. So I'll be having 2 that's actually being sent out to me. One I actually paid for and one that's actually sent out for review. All right, guys, grab yours right now. There's 3 left. Grab it as fast as possible because I don't think it's going to be there much longer. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, become part of the DY Easy Gang Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, one.